did order Pokemon Serve the Wish Maker.
Alright, well, where should we put that? Not on, yeah. Yeah. What comes next?
Tomatoes.
Okay.
Like this?
Well, how about with your hand? Why don't you do it with your hand? Yeah. Okay. You can do that with your hand. Just take pieces. Like you did with the cheese. Pick it up and put it on there.
Like this?
So this is hot. Look, feel that? That's hot. So here, do it over on this side. There you go. He's going to be your next chef. Is that enough?
Yes.
And what goes on the top?
Okay.
Great. What goes on the top of your nachos? Okay.
Brand invention. We take the first. That's always easy as
How are you going to put that on? Do you need a spoon or are you going to pour it?
Pour it like this.
Very slowly.
Like this.
Matt, what did you make?
Oh.
Matt, what did you make?
Nachos.
Wow, that looks great.